Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download project cost tracking with CoConstruct for rehabs, full guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and go to the CoConstruct website. Log in to your CoConstruct account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up link to create one. Navigate to the dashboard once you have logged in. Locate the project for which you want to track costs. Click on the project name to open its details. In the project overview, look for the Cost Tracking tab. Select the Cost Tracking tab to access the cost management features. Here, you will find options to add or edit costs for your rehab projects. To download the cost tracking data, look for the Export or Download option. Click on the Download button and choose your preferred file format. Typically, options include CSV, Excel, or PDF formats. Select the file format that best suits your needs and click Confirm. The system will prepare the file for download. Once ready, the file will automatically download to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's designated download folder. Open the file using the appropriate application for the chosen format. Review the cost tracking data for your project to ensure accuracy. You can now analyze and manage your project costs effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.